Yalısun was established in 2000 to produce various parts such as pins, bushings, hydraulic blocks for construction machinery, concrete pumps, cranes, asphalt rollers and road sweeping machines. The company continues its production in 7,200 square meter open and 4,800 square meter closed area in Ankara Başkent Organized Industrial Zone. The company has the ability to perform many processes such as cutting, machining, heat treatment, grinding, welded manufacturing, semi-assembly and coating within its own structure, widens its capacity by growing every year, increasing quality, reliability and customer satisfaction. Yalisun, as a leading OEM supplier in its sector, exports 100% of its products to European countries. Yalisun has ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 quality certificates, certified by Bureau Veritas, and constantly follows updated quality standards. Yalisun widens its capacity by growing every year, increasing quality, reliability and customer satisfaction. As per the quality policy of Yalisun, it monitors all processes from raw material to finished products with SAP barcode system with 100% traceability. Yalisun invested a galvanizing plant in 2014 and has a daily capacity of 10 tons of galvanizing facility with its fully automated line 2 kilometers away in the same organized industrial zone. The company established a new company, namely YLS GmbH in Munich, Germany, to keep safety stocks for urgent demand of our customers, which allows fast deliveries. Yalisun, while providing optimum efficiency with its technology, systems and human resources, it can also respond to customer demands in a timely manner by acting flexible. Yalisun adds value